Hello everybody, and today we are back with another car. This is a 2012 Ford Focus with a dented hood and transmission issues. I'm going to tell you about the transmission in a minute, but first I want to show you around the car. This hood is non-repairable. It's totally out of shape. It's dented over here and here. So I got a junkyard hood that I got to put on that and get it painted. And around the car we have a few paint scrapes. There's paint scrape here, paint scrape on the front bumper. This over here can actually be buffed out. I got this car off of Craigslist for only $1,200. It has just under 101,000 miles. The guy told me that it was shifting rough and at one point he couldn't get it past first gear. These cars have a dual clutch instead of a torque converter, and it often happens that the trans fluid leaks into the clutch housing, causing it to slip. So that's what I originally thought was the issue with the car. I originally was buying this car for parts for my other Focus, so I wasn't too worried about that. So I picked it up and drove it home, and it's been driving fine ever since. The check engine light is on for a shorted ground wire to one of the shifter motors. I asked people on Facebook and someone told me check the trans control module. So went and did some research on it and found that it's a pretty common issue for the TCM to go out on these cars, causing rough shifts or sometimes not shifting at all. And I also found that there is an extended warranty on these cars for this issue, and that this car is eligible. So I took it to my local Ford dealer and they test drove it, but they could not find anything wrong with it. So I took it back to drive it around and wait until it starts acting up again. Alright, so to show you just how well this car drives, you see it shifts into second, shifts into third. I've been driving this around for several days now and it hasn't done anything wrong yet. So here I am with a running and driving Focus. I already got a hood for this car to get painted. So after that I will be under $2,000 into this. I sold my old Taurus for $2,300. What kind of a car do you get for $2,000 these days? And in the meantime I'm going to be fixing this car, and I'm gonna have to cut out and weld this piece in. Over here I have the hood for the other car. And otherwise I haven't done anything with this. So thank you everybody for watching. I have something over 60 subscribers right now. I appreciate each and every one of you. Stay tuned to this channel to watch repairs on both of these cars.